AI could wipe out half of all entry-level white-collar jobs and spike unemployment to 10 to 20% in the next 1 to 5 years.
Yes,
that's shocking.
That is the future we could see.
And he's not exaggerating. Look at what's already happening in the real data. AI just cut US job growth by 16,000 jobs a month. Goldman Sachs confirmed it this year, but in a different group of jobs, hiring went up. Same technology, opposite result. That's not an accident. AI is sorting every job in this country into one of two groups: the jobs it replaces and the jobs it helps. The World Economic Forum just mapped out 170 million of those jobs through 2030. 7 of them are on the replaced list, and there's a good chance one of them is your job, or the job of someone sitting right next to you. Here's the list. Job 1, data entry clerks. The World Economic Forum says this is one of the fastest shrinking jobs on Earth through 2030. Not slowing down, going away. The work is repetitive. Copy this, type that, follow the same steps every time. That's exactly what AI is good at. Job 2, administrative assistants and executive secretaries. Same report. One of the biggest job losses in raw numbers out of every job the forum tracked across 55 countries. That's not a small trend. That's millions of real people. If your job is managing someone else's schedule and inbox, that skill is getting easier and easier for AI to copy. Job 3, cashiers and ticket clerks. Right next to them on the list. Self-checkout was the first warning. AI-run stores are the next step. See the pattern yet? Every job so far has the same shape. Repetitive, predictable, not much decision-making. Job 4, bank tellers. The forum says this is one of the fastest shrinking jobs in the world. A job that's already been shrinking for years, and now it's shrinking even faster. If your bank already pushes you to use the app before you reach the counter, that's not just convenience. That's your job disappearing in slow motion. Job 5, postal service clerks. Same list. Sorting mail, routing packages, processing paperwork. Tasks a computer can do faster than a person, and it never needs a lunch break or a sick day. 10 years ago, this felt like a job for life. Not anymore. Job 6, insurance claims clerks. This one comes from Goldman Sachs, not the forum. Their own research puts claims processing near the top of the list for jobs AI is most likely to take over right now in the US economy. This is the one people miss. Claims processor sounds safe and stable. The data says it isn't. Job 7, telephone operators and bill collectors. Same Goldman research, same warning. If your job is mostly reading from a script on the phone, AI can read that same script for free. 7 jobs, 2 separate sources, 1 survey of over 1,000 companies and 14 million workers, 1 live set of US job data from this year. This isn't a guess about some far-off future. It's already showing up in real paychecks right now. Now for the part most AI's replacing jobs videos skip completely. The same Goldman research that found those 16,000 lost jobs also found the opposite happening somewhere else. In jobs where AI helps a worker instead of replacing them, hiring actually went up, about 9,000 jobs a month, and unemployment ticked slightly down. Think chief executives, judges, construction managers, school administrators, interior designers. An interior designer and a customer service rep deal with almost the same amount of AI, but one job is shrinking and the other is growing. The difference isn't the technology, it's whether the work still needs a real person in the room making a judgment call a computer can't make. The World Economic Forum's own growth list backs this up too. Nursing, software development, renewable energy engineering. All jobs that need real hands-on skill or judgment calls a computer can't fake. So AI makes these jobs faster instead of replacing them. This isn't new either. It happened before, back in the 1800s. When coal became more efficient to burn, people didn't use less of it, they used more. Same idea, new machine. You could say this happened with computers too. Everyone adapted. It worked out fine. Maybe it will again. But Goldman's own data shows the pain isn't spread evenly. It's hitting younger, newer workers the hardest. The people with the least savings and the least room to survive a bad year. And that 92 million number comes straight from real employer surveys, not a guess about some vague future. Over 1,000 employers, representing 14 million workers, expect to cut 92 million jobs worldwide by 2030, while creating 170 million new ones somewhere else. Net gain, on paper, 78 million more jobs. But that's cold comfort if your job is one of the 92 million and not one of the 170. So, back to those two groups. Group 1. Repetitive, predictable, low judgment. That's data entry, admin work, cashiers, bank tellers, postal clerks, claims processing, phone work, the 7 jobs you just heard, backed by 2 of the most trusted job reports published this year. Group 2. Judgment heavy, hands-on, hard for AI to fully copy. That's where AI helps instead of replaces. Your job already belongs to one of these 2 groups. Most people just don't know which one yet. Drop your job title in the comments, and I'll tell you which group the data actually puts you in. Subscribe for the next one.